Hello and welcome. I'm so happy you are here today. If you want to improve your English speaking, listening, and confidence, you are in the right place. This is your safe space to learn. No pressure, no stress, just practice. Remember, you don't need to understand everything right now. Just listen carefully. Repeat slowly. And enjoy the process. Try to listen first, then repeat. Challenge yourself. And if you can, avoid reading subtitles. The more you practice, the better you will become. So relax, stay focused. And let's start learning English together. Rock it. I wake up early in the morning and try to start my day with a positive mindset. I usually brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink a glass of water. After waking up, I like to sit quietly for a few minutes and think about what I want to do. During the day, sometimes I feel very energetic in the morning, but other times I feel a bit sleepy and slow. I try to eat a healthy breakfast because it gives me energy for the whole day. I often check my phone in the morning, but I know it is better to avoid screens early. I enjoy listening to calm music while getting ready for my day. I usually plan my tasks so that I can stay organized and productive. I try not to rush in the morning because it makes me feel stressed. I believe that a good morning routine can improve my entire day. I go to work or study depending on my schedule. I try to focus on my work and avoid distractions like social media. Sometimes it is difficult to stay focused, but I try my best to concentrate. I take short breaks when I feel tired so that I can refresh my mind. I like to talk to my friends or colleagues during breaks because it makes me feel relaxed. I enjoy learning new things every day because it helps me grow. I sometimes make mistakes, but I try to learn from them. I believe that practice is the key to improving any skill. I try to stay motivated even when things are difficult. I remind myself that progress takes time and patience. I usually eat lunch in the afternoon and try to choose something healthy. I enjoy eating simple meals that are both tasty and nutritious. Sometimes I eat with friends and we talk about our day. I like to take a short walk after lunch to feel fresh and active. I try not to feel lazy after eating because it reduces my productivity. I sometimes feel sleepy in the afternoon, especially if I didn't sleep well. I drink water regularly to stay hydrated. Throughout the day, I try to avoid junk food because it is not good for my health. I enjoy trying new foods from different cultures. I believe that good food can improve my mood. In the evening, I like to relax and spend time doing things I enjoy. I sometimes watch TV or a movie to entertain myself. I enjoy reading books because it improves my knowledge and vocabulary. I like to spend time with my family and talk about our day. Sometimes I go for a walk in the evening to clear my mind. I enjoy listening to music because it helps me relax. I try to avoid too much screen time before going to bed. I like to reflect on my day and think about what I did well. I try to stay positive even if my day was not perfect. I believe that every day is a new opportunity to improve. At night, I prepare myself for sleep by following a simple routine. I brush my teeth and wash my face before going to bed. I try to sleep early so that I can wake up feeling fresh. Sometimes it is difficult for me to fall asleep quickly. I avoid using my phone before sleeping because it affects my sleep. I try to think about calm and peaceful things before sleeping. I believe that good sleep is very important for my health. I try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. I feel tired and lazy when I don't get enough sleep. I understand that rest is necessary for both the body and mind. I like to practice English every day to improve my fluency. I try to listen carefully before speaking in English. I repeat sentences to improve my pronunciation. I try to learn new words and use them in sentences. I am not afraid of making mistakes while speaking English. I believe that speaking practice is very important for learning a language. I try to watch English videos to improve my listening skills. I enjoy learning English because it helps me communicate with people. I try to speak slowly and clearly so others can understand me. I practice English even when I am alone. I continue practicing English every day because I want to become more confident in speaking. I try to speak in English even when I am thinking to improve my fluency. I sometimes talk to myself in English to practice forming sentences. I listen to English podcasts to improve my listening skills and pronunciation. I repeat what I hear so that I can sound more natural while speaking. I try to learn phrases instead of only learning single words. I focus on understanding the meaning instead of translating everything. I try to speak slowly so that I can pronounce each word clearly. I practice speaking in front of a mirror to build confidence. I remind myself that making mistakes is part of learning. I like to have simple conversations in English with my friends. I ask questions in English to improve my speaking ability. I try to answer questions using full sentences instead of short answers. I listen carefully when others speak so that I can understand better. I try to use new vocabulary words in my daily conversations. I enjoy learning new expressions and idioms in English. I sometimes forget words, but I try to explain my idea in another way. I use simple words when I cannot remember difficult words. I practice speaking every day to improve step by step. I believe consistency is more important than perfection. I like to talk about my daily routine in English. I describe what I do from morning to night. I talk about my hobbies and interests in simple sentences. I explain what I like and what I do not like. I share my opinions about different topics in English. I try to speak about my experiences clearly. I describe places I have visited in the past. I talk about my future plans and goals. I practice telling stories in English to improve fluency. I try to use different sentence structures while speaking. I enjoy asking questions like, "What do you do?" and "How was your day?" I try to respond politely when someone asks me a question. I use expressions like, "That sounds interesting," in conversations. I try to keep the conversation going by asking follow-up questions. I listen carefully so I can respond correctly. I try to understand the tone and emotion of the speaker. I practice agreeing and disagreeing politely in English. I say, "I agree with you," when I share the same opinion. I say, "I'm not sure about that," when I have a different opinion. I try to be respectful in every conversation. I like to practice common situations in English. I imagine ordering food in a restaurant and practice speaking. I practice asking for directions when I am lost. I imagine talking to a stranger and introducing myself. I practice speaking on the phone in English. I imagine going to an interview and answering questions. I practice explaining my skills and experience. I imagine traveling to another country and speaking English. I practice asking for help politely. I try to feel confident in every situation. I like to improve my pronunciation by listening and repeating. I pay attention to how native speakers speak. I try to copy their tone and rhythm. I practice difficult words again and again. I break long sentences into smaller parts to understand them better. I focus on speaking clearly instead of speaking fast. I try to stress the correct words in a sentence. I listen to my own voice and try to improve it. I enjoy practicing pronunciation every day. I believe practice makes my speech better. I try to improve my vocabulary every day. I learn a few new words and use them in sentences. I write down new words so that I can remember them. I revise old words to keep them fresh in my mind. I try to understand the meaning and usage of each word. I use new words in speaking and writing. I try to learn synonyms to improve my language. I avoid memorizing without understanding. I try to connect new words with real-life situations. I believe vocabulary is very important for communication. I like to write simple sentences in English. I write about my day in a notebook. I try to describe my feelings and thoughts in writing. I check my mistakes and learn from them. I try to write clearly and correctly. I practice writing short paragraphs every day. I focus on grammar while writing. I try to use punctuation correctly. I enjoy improving my writing skills. I believe writing helps me think better in English. I like to watch English videos to learn naturally. I watch videos with subtitles sometimes. I try to understand without subtitles as much as possible. I listen carefully to how sentences are formed. I repeat sentences to practice speaking. I try to learn from real conversations. I enjoy learning English through videos. I try to watch different types of content. I learn new expressions from videos. I believe videos are a fun way to learn English. I try to stay motivated while learning English. I remind myself why I started learning. I set small goals to track my progress. I celebrate my improvements, even small ones. I try not to compare myself with others. I focus on my own journey. I stay patient and keep practicing. I understand that learning takes time. I try to enjoy the process of learning. I believe I can improve with practice. Great job today. If you stayed until the end, you are already improving your English. Remember, consistency is the key. Practice a little every day, and you will see big results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more slow and easy English practice. Tell me in the comments, how was your practice today? Keep learning, keep practicing. And most importantly, keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video. Take care and keep going.